In the meantime, let's head over to South Korea, and where we're joined by Yoon, who's got all the latest on that market this morning. Yoon, good morning.
Good morning, Oriel. Korean markets are trading higher in line with the open, but one name that I'm watching is SK Hynix, which is trading lower. It is one of the worst performers of the top 50 by market cap on the Kospi this morning. This drop is coming from one-off settlement costs that are expected to come from SK Hynix's settlement with Toshiba. SK Hynix will be paying Toshiba $278 million as part of a settlement, and this will mean that fourth quarter operating profit for SK Hynix will be revised down to 1.5 trillion won from 1.8 trillion won, and net profit will also be revised down to 1.2 trillion won from 1.4 trillion won. So we are seeing losses of more than 1% for this name. Also, Toshiba and SK Hynix, though, they're saying going forward, the lawsuit has been dropped and they will be collaborating to develop new technologies. Also, they are saying they're extending their patent cross-licensing and product supply agreements going forward as well. Back on the markets, we are seeing mixed trading for the blue chips, but again, the standouts that we are seeing, like Hyundai Motors, KEPCO, and Kia Motors, that are gaining more than 1% right now. This is coming from dividend expectations for this year, and this time because starting next year, the Korean government will be taxing corporate cash reserves that are above a certain amount, meaning a higher probability of higher dividends for this year. So KEPCO, which is government-run, of course, applies to this regulation. Also, Samsung and Hyundai Motor Group, which are the two conglomerates that have the biggest cash reserves, are expected to pay out more dividends. So again, Samsung Electronics has already said they are considering raising its dividend payout for the year by up to 50%. So Samsung is unchanged, but JL Industries and Samsung Life Insurance are all showing rallies this morning. So that was a check on the Korean markets about 3 hours into trade. Oriel, back to you.
Okay, Yoon, thank you so much for the update there.